So distance, can somebody tell me what is distance or what do you think is distance? Yes, anyone? What is distance or what do you feel or what do you think is distance?
The path which is traveled by an object.
Any other definition of distance? The path traveled by an object. So is path called a distance?
The path traveled by an object.
Right. Any other definition of distance? No. I just written down. Yes, Sahas, you want to say something? Sahas, what is distance or what do you think is distance? Okay, any other? I got this answer that it is path traveled by an object. Can you measure path? Is path a measurable quantity? I hope.
Yes.
Yeah. Harishri, is path a measurable quantity?
Yes.
Okay. So, in which units do you measure path?
Kilometer, centimeter, and meter.
Oh, kilometer, centimeter, and meter. Is that path? Okay, fine. I say, is Harishri a measurable quantity? Are you a measurable quantity? Yes or no? Or for that reason, any student is a student or a person a measurable quantity or not a measurable quantity? Yes, anyone? Is a person measurable quantity or not a measurable quantity? Question seems strange, right? So a person is not a measurable quantity. Height of the person can be measured, weight of the person can be measured, maybe volume of the person can also be measured, but person as a is not a measurable quantity. Similarly, path is not a measurable quantity. So what is measurable quantity? The length of the path is a measurable quantity, right? So if I say distance is path travel, so according to physics, it's not correct because I'm saying distance is a measurable quantity and path is not a measurable quantity. So what is distance? Distance is always, I can say distance is what? Distance is length of the path. We'll be studying most of the things that you already know. So how can I define distance? Distance can be defined as length of the path covered by an object. By an object or a body or a vehicle, whatever you want to say, right? And what are the units? As Harishri said, it can be measured in meters, kilometers, miles, light years, whatever, right? But the basic unit that we generally use is meter because meter is taken as standard unit. I hope that is clear. And the next definition that you must have studied many times, written many exams on that is displacement. Now what is displacement?
The shortest distance covered
by an object.
So Harishri says shortest distance covered by an object. Madhav, what is displacement?
The shortest distance covered by an object is known as displacement.
Yeah, any other person? Alifia, what is displacement? Okay, so we're discussing about what is displacement. I got a couple of people answering. Haripriya saying that it is the shortest distance covered by an object. Madhav also said it is the shortest distance covered by an object. Anything else? Or you feel is it right? I mean, those people are right. Okay, Arsalan says shortest distance covered by an object. Alifia, Palak, what is displacement according to you? You have every right to be wrong. So what do you feel is displacement? That's what is the question. Let's learn what is displacement a little later. Rahul, Sahas, I want responses from everyone because this is something that almost everyone has been gone through. I haven't actually been thought about. So no problem, Alifia will learn it today. Almost all of you say it is shortest distance. let me give you a small situation, right? Let's say I take an example. Let's say there is a river flowing. It's a river. And there is a person at a point A on the river. And there is a point B here exactly on the opposite of the river. Let's try to understand distance and displacement by this example. Let's say there is a bridge here. I'll give some values. Let's say the width of the river is some 40 meters. This is around 10 meters from this. And this is also 10 meters from this, right? And next one is I have, towards this side also I have another bridge. But this distance is 50 meters from here. This is 50 meters from here. I'll call this as path 1. This is path 1. And I'll call this as path 2. Right? If a person, there is a person starts from A and he reaches B. So person starts from A and reaches B. Now, what would be the distance covered by the person if he takes path 1? If he's going along path 1. I hope you understood this is a river. I can't show you that it's a river, but it's a river and it's very deep. The person cannot cross the river and the person doesn't know swimming. Or in other words, I want to say that there is no way in which the person can cross the river like this. He has to take a bridge and he also doesn't know flying, right? So now my question is, if this person goes like this, and like this, what is the distance covered by that person? Yes, I hope the question is clear. So Palak is ready with the answer. So is Alifia. 60 meters, 60 meters. Wonderful. Others? Madhav, Harishri, Rahul, Sahas, Ananya, Arsalan, quick. Yeah, for path 1. We are just talking about path 1 as of now, Alifia. We'll go to path 2 also. So keep your answer ready for path 2 also. Rahul, Sahas, what is there? Ananya?
Sir, 60 meters.
Madhav, what is it? 50 meters or 60 meters?
60 meters, sir.
60 meters. All of you agree with this, right? Yes, Rahul, 60
Yes.
meters. Okay, so this one, I'll say distance covered in path 1 is how much? 60 meters. Now, what is distance covered in path 2? If the person chooses the second path, what would be the distance covered? Palak is ready with the answer. 140, Kunal 140. Harishri, I'm asking about the second path. That is, this person goes like this, comes like this.
Sir, 140.
Madhav 140, Arsalan 140, Rahul 140, Alifia. Sahas, what happened to you? Sahas, I want response from you also. Yeah, the answer for path 2 would be 140 meters. Ananya 140, great. 140 meters, right? So I write it as 140 meters. Now, what is the shortest distance? What is the shortest distance?
Sir, which part? 1 or 2?
You should tell me. You tell me the final answer. What is the shortest distance?
Sir, the shortest distance is 40 meters.
So is it? But we don't have a path there. Arsalan, Madhav, both of you said 40 meters. Ananya, path 1, no problem. That is agreed. Palak, path 1, agreed. Rahul, path 1, agreed. Shortest distance is what? There are only 2 paths. One is 140 meters, another is 60 meters. So what is the shortest distance? Path 1.
Sir, 60 meters.
60 meters. Shortest distance is 60 meters. Yeah, all of you? 60 meters. Absolutely no problem with that, right? Now, can you tell me what is displacement? What is displacement?
The shorter distance covered by an object is known as displacement.
So that is, so I take it for granted that displacement is the shortest distance covered by an object, right? So in that case, what is displacement?
The shorter distance traveled by an object is called displacement reaction.
Very good, Kunal. I agree what you have said. Now, in this particular case, what is displacement? You tell me the value. Is it 10 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters, whatever? In this particular situation, a person starts from A and reaches B. What is the distance? Sorry, displacement. And how many
60
parts
meters.
are? Is it 60 meters? Palak, path 1. Arsalan says 40 meters. Palak says path 1. Agreed. Displacement is how much? Ananya.
Sir, 40 meters.
Madhav says 40 meters. Okay, let's answer it and then we'll see. So displacement, what is displacement? My question is, what is displacement? Let's say my option A says 40 meters. Option B says 60 meters. Option C says 140 meters. Option D says, I don't know. Right? So I want all of you to mark these options. I hope I'm just... Which is your option? So answer is 60 meters. So we had Madhav and Ananya saying 40 meters displacement. So Madhav, you have already told the definition. Ananya, can you tell me what is definition of displacement? First thing I want you to tell me is, what is the definition of displacement according to you?
Displacement is the movement of an object from its original position to a new position.
Very good. Movement of an object from original position to a new position. So what are you measuring?
The distance it has moved from its original position to the new position.
So is it the shortest distance or the longest distance or something else?
The shortest distance.
The shortest distance. Okay. So here, what is the shortest distance? Do you agree that path 1 is 60 meters, path 2 is 140 meters, then the shortest distance is 60 meters?
Yes.
Then why is your answer 40 meters?
No, because I didn't hear the options properly. I was a little confused.
Okay. Okay.
First,
so then,
initially I had calculated 40, but then it was wrong.
Okay.
I didn't
No
know
problem.
the options.
No problem. No problem. Madhav, let's have Madhav with us. Madhav, you're there? Madhav, your answer was also 40 meters, right? Because 60 meters is too obvious. So the people who said 60 meters, I'll not question them. The people who said 40 meters, I would definitely question. And there was one person who said 140. I think Palak, you said 140, right? And then you changed your answer. No problem. So Madhav, are you there?
Hello.
Yes, Madhav. Madhav,
Yes.
so what is your definition of displacement?
Sir, shorter distance covered by an object.
Shortest distance. So in this case, what is the shortest distance covered by an object?
Sir, 60 meters.
60 meters. So what should be the displacement?
Sir, 60 meters.
60 meters. Oh, that was simple for me. I thought it would be difficult for me to convince you. Okay. So now let's see. See, this is absolutely fine. This is also very fine. This is also very good. The displacement is not 140, not 60. It is 40 meters. Right? Now, the answer is actually 40 meters. That means either our definition is wrong or 40 meters is wrong. Because I told 40 meters is not is the correct answer, or it is not wrong. So let's try to understand how to define displacement. Now, displacement is only this path. You're getting it? Only this path. So, you know, I see it's something like, let me give you an example. You know, there is a point A and there is a point B. The separation between A and B is 10 meters. I go around the world and come to B. How far is B from A?
Sir, 10 meters.
10 meters, right? So that means what? I going around the world and coming to B does not affect the separation between A and B. And that's what is displacement. I hope you're getting it. So now shortest displacement between 2 points is not a correct definition of displacement in every context. So I'll have a better definition, and I'll tell you why that definition is given in your textbooks also after a while. So how can I define displacement? I can say displacement is What is displacement? Displacement is separation between initial and final point. What is displacement? It is separation between initial and final point.